Hello, everyone. Welcome to one and all who are present in today's session. We have Ms. Sanskriti Girdhar with us today, and she'll be taking class on the topic want to break free from a negative mentality. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishwani. Hi, everyone. So, how are you? How was your day? Anybody wants to share how your day was, or any particular negative thought that you have on your mind since morning? And if not negative thought, then you can share the positive thought if you have any.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Sujata. How are you?
Absolutely fine, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आज का जो है मन में बस यही था कि ऐसी क्या चीज है जो हम जिससे हम सिर्फ प्रेजेंट में जी सकते हैं, पास्ट और फ्यूचर जो है वो हमें परेशान ना करें। क्योंकि आज मैंने एक लाओत्सो जो है वो जो फिलोसफर है उनका एक थॉट पढ़ा कि अगर आप उदास हैं तो आप अतीत में जी रहे हैं, और अगर आप वरीड हैं तो आप फ्यूचर में जी रहे हैं, और अगर आपके माइंड आपका पीस ऑफ माइंड है, इट मीन्स आप प्रेजेंट में है।
That's a wonderful thought.
आज तो आज दिन की शुरुआत बस यही थी कि कैसी है कि कोशिश कैसे की जाए कि 100% हम प्रेजेंट में जी सके, कोई प्लानिंग ना करे फ्यूचर की, पर फिर भी अच्छे से जिए।
बिल्कुल, आपने मुझे बहुत अच्छा स्टार्ट दे दिया। जैसे कि अब आप कह रहे हैं कि प्रेजेंट में जीना है, और प्रेजेंट में जीने के लिए अगर अगर वो पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग, वो पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट हमारा रहेगा, हम प्रेजेंट में जी पाएंगे। सो आई स्टार्ट विद माय लेक्चर, जस्ट शेयर माय स्क्रीन। Okay, so the topic for today's session is want to break free from a negative mentality. See, so we all know that life is full of setbacks and there are a lot of uncertainties. We may think that today will be a good day, but it may not be the case. हमें लगे कि आज हमारे साथ सब कुछ अच्छा होगा, बट ऐसा हो सकता है कि कुछ ना कुछ अनसर्टेनिटी कुछ आ जाए, कुछ इमरजेंसी आ जाए, कुछ भी आ जाए, और हमें ऐसा लगे कि नहीं, हमारा डे तो अच्छा नहीं रहा, एंड it leaves you with a learning for life. So अगर हम उस नेगेटिव मेंटालिटी को एक साइड पे रखते हुए हम अगर राइट माइंडसेट ले आएंगे और अपने ब्रेन को कैसे चलाना है ये सीख जाएंगे, सो हम डेफिनेटली विल बी अ बेटर एंड अ हैप्पी पर्सन. सो बिफोर आई बिगिन, जस्ट एक सिंपल सी चीज, सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम या सबसे बड़ी डिजीज क्या है, सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या है? Anybody wants to answer? आपके हिसाब से सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या है?
चिंता.
चिंता. वेरी गुड. कोई और बोलना चाहेगा?
बहुत बार आप लोगों ने भी कहा है कि क्या कहेंगे लोग, सबसे
क्या
बड़ा रोग।
कहेंगे लोग? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. सो यस, सो दैट इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम, कि सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. और जैसे मंजुल ने बोला कि चिंता, चिंता भी उसी का ही एक पार्ट है. ये चिंता करना कि अगर मैं ऐसे करूंगी तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, अगर ये हो गया तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, ओहो मेरे बेटे का रिजल्ट कम आया है, सामने वाली जो पड़ोसन है ना वो मुझे टॉन्ट मारेगी कि बेटे का रिजल्ट तुम्हारा बहुत कम आया है, मेरे बेटे का तो बहुत अच्छा आया है. कितने शर्मा जी के बेटे का रिजल्ट तो 90 अबव आया है और मेरे बेटे का रिजल्ट बहुत कम आया है. और हर चीज पे हम यही सोचते हैं कि सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा, सामने वाला क्या बोलेगा. अच्छा ठीक है, अगर मैं अपनी बेटी को लाओ कर दूं कि वो रात को थोड़ा लेट घर आ जाए, ऐसा ना हो कि पड़ोसी देखेंगे. सो माय माय मॉम टेल्स मी, कभी अगर मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ या मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ ही क्यों नहीं, अगर मैं कहीं जा रही हूँ ना, तो शी बिकम्स वेरी वरीड कि बेटा टाइम से आ जाना. अगर मैं टाइम से नहीं आ पा रही हूँ चाहे मैं फैमिली के साथ ही क्यों ना हूँ या मैं फ्रेंड्स के साथ हूँ, तो अगर मुझे 10 साढ़े 10 बज रहे हैं या 11 बज रहे हैं, तो मुझे हमेशा बोलेंगी बेटा मुझे ना एक मिस कॉल मार देना, मैं आके डोर खोल दूंगी, बेल रिंग मत करना। मैंने बोला क्यों बेल रिंग नहीं करनी? तुम बेल रिंग करोगी ना, शार्प से सबको बेल सुनाई देती है, तो उनको पता लगेगा कि फुटस्टेप्स आए हैं और 11 बजे हमारे घर में हमारी बेटी आ रही है। माय गॉड, मतलब उनको अपने घर में बैठे बैठे ये फीलिंग आ रही है कि पड़ोसी क्या सोचेंगे अगर मेरी बेटी 11 बजे आ रही है। प्लीज अपने साथ ऐसा मत करो। उन्हें भी मैंने यही समझाया जो मुझे लगा। आप, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके लिए सेफ नहीं है या आपके कोई और रीजन है, दैट्स डिफरेंट, बट ये बोलना कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, नेबर्स क्या सोचेंगे, क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा, प्लीज, जब तक हम अपने आप को इसमें हमेशा बांध के रखेंगे कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, कभी भी तरक्की नहीं कर पाएंगे, कभी भी हम अपनी इमोशनल हेल्थ, इमोशनल हाइजीन का चेक नहीं रख पाएंगे। So stop thinking what people think. Okay. So the next one is, yeah. Okay. So you choose how happy you are. It's completely on us to choose and to decide how happy we want to be, or do we want to be happy or not. So by, how can you choose that you want to be happy or not? By the thoughts that you make. It's very, very important that you have the right thoughts. And so if you have positive thoughts, then you'll be happy. If you have negative thoughts, then you'll be unhappy. As simple as that. No rocket science. So if I'm saying that I'm fat, then that's a negative thought, which will make me feel inferior, which will make me feel as if I'm less than somebody else, and which is not the right thought. I cannot do that thing to my body, that thing to myself. So, and if I say, I will never achieve this, another negative thought. If I say, I will never pass this exam, I will never get this job, I will never be able to do that, I will never be able to achieve this level, I will not get a promotion, anything. Don't create negative vibrations around you. Don't have a negative thought. So if you say, I like spending time with my spouse, that's a positive thought. Let's go on a vacation. That's a positive thought. You will start feeling that excitement. Okay, we are going on a vacation. That's wonderful. Positive thought, excitement, happy. But is it that simple? Is it? And if it's simple, how to do that? How to have that thought? So you can train your brain to think happy thoughts. Happy thoughts, happy mind, happy energy, good energy, positive thoughts is how you can actually break free from the negative mentality. Don't be so negative in your life. Okay, so by training your brain to think more positively than negatively, you'll become happier. If, say for suppose, if somebody has criticized you, किसी ने आपको criticize कर दिया कि आप तो ये काम कर ही नहीं सकते हो, आपसे तो ये काम होगा ही नहीं, आप तो ये खाना बना ही नहीं सकते हो, तो आप एक्चुअली में नहीं कर पाओगे अगर आप उसकी बात को दिल से लगा लोगे कि हाँ मुझसे नहीं हो सकता, then you will not be able to do that. So you make it a habit. If you make accepting the criticism a habit and just thinking that what the other person is saying is correct, then it will lead you nowhere. So some people habitually take it personally and feel unhappy, while others are habitually indifferent and keep being happy. So that isn't true about just about the criticism, it's true about everything. How you react to compliments, how you react to bad drivers, how you react when you feel threatened. So in the last class, I had shared an example that how I complimented my friend and she said, no, she's not looking good and she was not confident about herself and what she was wearing. So if you are giving those vibes to yourself, how will you actually feel special and good on your special day? You will not be able to feel that. Why? Because no matter how beautiful you're looking, you're not ready to accept that you're looking beautiful. So there's no point. So it's very important to actively choose the different thoughts so that you can reinforce a habit of thinking positively and then decrease the habit of thinking negatively. So here I would just say that if there are some occasions जो actually में बहुत negative हैं and you're not able to think positive and you feel इस situation में तो कोई भी पॉजिटिव नहीं सोच सकता, मैं कैसे पॉजिटिव सोचूं इस सिचुएशन में, इसमें कुछ पॉजिटिव है ही नहीं, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आप ये बोलोगे कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे सोचूंगी कि इसमें कुछ पॉजिटिव नहीं है और मैं अपने आप को दिलासा दूंगी तो मैं बस एक बेवकूफ हूँ और मैं अपने आप को फूल कर रही हूँ एंड आई एम जस्ट गोइंग अवे फ्रॉम द रियलिटी. नो, दैट्स नॉट द केस. It's possible to be practical, to have the reality and at the same time have a happy thought and a positive thought. So okay, I don't know why it's taking today to change the slides. Time to change the slides. Okay, so you can think positive and still be realistic. So how can you do that? So I gave an example before that if I say I'm fat, that's a negative thought. How you can convert that negative thought and make it a positive thought? How? So I am so unfit. But if you make that sentence as I'm so unfit, but I am now exercising and I'm getting fitter every day. So that you started with a negative thought, but eventually you gave a result to that and you twisted it into a positive thought. Why? Because if you feel that you have a weakness or if you feel that you have something that you can improve upon, so you start working for it, you improve on that. And if you feel that there's nothing that you want to improve on, perfect, that's fine. But if you feel, अगर आपको वो feeling आ रही है that I'm so unfit, that simply means that you have that in your mind. So आप अपने आप को fool करके ये नहीं बोल सकते कि नहीं I am fit. No, if you have that feeling that you're unfit, that means you are unfit because you are getting that either because लोग कह रहे हैं या सेकंड बिकॉज आप फील करते हैं. अगर आप खुद जेन्युइनली फील करते हैं कि हाँ आप अनफिट हैं, then just start working towards it and say your sentences, change the way you say your sentences. So just एक बट लगा देने से आपका वही नेगेटिव थॉट जो है वो पॉजिटिव थॉट में बदल गया. So it is keeping your thought as realistic. You're not denying the fact, but you're not unhappy. Why? Because you feel happy that if I have something, then I'm working on it and I'm feeling happy about it, that I'm working on it. So if you say I will never find love, but if you add but to it and say another thing along with it, so you say I will never find love if I keep staying at home just like I'm right now. But if I start going out more, my luck might change. Say another example. I will never pay off this debt. I will never pay off this debt becomes I will never pay off this debt, but I could pay some of it if I start saving $100 month, $100 more every month. So what you're doing is you are adding something realistic to that. If you have a debt, if you have a loan on yourself and you design a strategy to work towards it and you decide that, okay, if I have a loan of say for suppose 2 lakh rupees, I will start and I have say for 10 months to repay that. I will then see how in 10 months, what is the amount that I should save every month so that I am able to pay that amount. And for after that, you will start working on how to earn that extra money so that you can save that much amount every month to pay back the debt. You took a debt take the responsibility and pay it back. Just stressing on that and treating it as a problem will not help you take anywhere, like go anywhere. So it's very, very important to channelize your thoughts that way so that it becomes positive. So if I say that I will never clear this exam, and along with that, if I add, I will definitely clear this exam if I study hard. I will clear the exam if I study hard. Simple positive affirmations that you can give to yourself. Okay, so stop making meaningless affirmations. Never say, I've already told that, never say that you'll start assuming that I am so unfit. Okay, मैम ने बोला था कि नेगेटिव थिंकिंग नहीं रखनी है. Okay, so I'll remove the negative thought. I am not unfit. I am so unfit. I'll say I am fit. No, that's not the case. I will not clear the exam. I will clear the exam. How will you clear the exam? पढ़ोगे नहीं तो कैसे clear होएगा? नहीं होगा ना. So you'll have to work for it. I want a promotion, but I will not work hard. No, I want a promotion and I will work hard for it. I will create positive energies for that. How we can create positive energies in our life, I'll explain about that in the upcoming slides. So, very, very important. You need to have a mindful eating practice. Okay, so before that, I would just want to ask, how many of you, so when you're having your lunch, dinner, breakfast, what is it that you do when you have your breakfast or lunch or dinner? आप साथ में क्या करते हो? What is it that you do? Anyone wants to answer? Come on, guys. कोई खाना नहीं खाता है क्या? Everybody eats breakfast, lunch, dinner. So what is it that you do along with that? Yes, Sujata.
मैम ज्यादातर जो है आजकल फैमिली मेंबर साथ में बैठ के फोन जरूर देखते हैं अपने अलग.
Yes, फोन जरूर देखते हैं. फोन आजकल बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया है.
खाना साथ में खाया जाए या ना खाया जाए, पर हाँ अगर सारे एक साथ बैठे हैं तो सबके पास अपने अपने फोन होंगे और सब अपने अपने फोन में बिजी होंगे.
Yes.
We have two chats. We have two comments in chats. Preeti says nothing, only concentrates on food. And Miss Chandrakanta said, watch my favorite dance forms on mobile.
Great, great. So wonderful. Okay, so that is what you do. Okay, so I have a friend of mine, जैसे सुजाता जी ने भी बोला कि ये फोन यूज करते हैं. सो मेरी फ्रेंड क्या है, वो सबसे पहले तो खाना आएगा, सो वो सबसे पहले उसकी फोटो खींचेगी. चाहे खाना ठंडा हो जाए, उसकी पहले फोटो खींचेगी, फोटो खींच के अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे डालेगी और उसके बाद ही वो खाना खाएगी. ठीक है. मेरी सिस्टर, वो जब तक टीवी के सामने नहीं बैठेगी तब तक खाना नहीं खाएगी. मैं तो अपना खाना टीवी के सामने बैठ के ही खाऊंगी. ठीक है. जैसे अभी किसी ने बोला कि जब मैं खाना खाती हूँ, सो आई वॉच माई फेवरेट डांस फॉर्म्स. सो मोबाइल पे आई वॉच माई फेवरेट डांस फॉर्म्स. And Preeti said that she does nothing, but she only concentrates on the food. So Preeti, when you do that, what is it that you feel if you just concentrate on the food? So what is it that you do? Don't you get bored? So you're just having food and you're not doing anything along with it. What is it that you feel?
Yeah, okay. So I think maybe a little bit of thinking about my work, whatever is pending, all that, yeah, that goes on. But other than that, I don't prefer watching TV or watching mobile during eating. In fact, I keep telling my kids and my husband also not to do that. On the table, it should be only food and nothing else. So yeah, some thinking is there, some about my pending work or whatever, but nothing beyond that. Just eat,
Okay.
enjoy food, and eat. That's it.
Okay. So that's a very good thing that you do, that you don't watch anything along with that. But there's one thing that I would want to add, and that is why I wanted you to elaborate. So you said that while you're having food, you keep thinking that what's going on, and like you think about work, and then you think about, so you plan your activities and things like that. But can can we leave that also and not think about anything and just enjoy the food? If if we do that, that is actually required for all of us to do. So what what I mean with mindful eating practices is that, okay, so we all know हमें खाना जो है वो slowly chew करके खाना चाहिए, धीरे धीरे खाना चाहिए, and all that. So I'm not talking about that aspect right now, but I'm talking about the mindful eating practices, which the energies that we create while we are eating food. So it's very very important that when you're having food or you're having water, you need to create the correct vibrations, the correct energy. Okay, so if you're seeing TV, say for suppose you're seeing a fantasy movie, or you're watching a movie which is or a OTT series which is very violent and very thriller action, you have that going in your mind, and you have that mardhar, violent and everything, violence going on around in that movie. If you're seeing anything else, you have your brain uh, working on that and not focusing on the food that you're eating. So वो जो थॉट होगा, वो थॉट आपका डोमिनेंट थॉट बन जाएगा। क्यों? क्योंकि आप उसकी एनर्जीज जो है वो उस फूड में डाल रहे हो, आप उस वाटर में डाल रहे हो। साउंड्स वियर्ड, बट इट इज नॉट। हाउ? जब हम खाना खा रहे हैं, सो आई सॉ माय Jiju doing that, and I asked him that why do you do this? So what he does is, whenever he's having his food, he always folds his hands, pray to God that thank you for giving me, and says, just shows gratitude and thank you for giving me this food, and then he starts having the food. And it's a thing that they always have the food together on dining table no matter what. That's the same thing that we do at our home. So my mother never allows us to sit in the room and have food. She always says, dining table pe baitho, khana khao, 10 minute apne khana khao, and then go. And I always used to crib about it. Why do you do that? There's a favorite series going on and I want to see that, and I don't have time, I'm busy, मुझे साथ के साथ देखने हैं, तो दोनों काम हो जाएंगे। But nahi. So she inculcated that habit in me, and I realized that that's very very important, that you should only and only focus on your food when you're having your food, not also on the thoughts like I'm busy, it's a stressful day, I'm not well, I'm not feeling well, I have a lot of meetings today, and so on. और if you're feeling as if खाना तो बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं बना है, खाने में नमक बहुत ज्यादा है, खाना बिल्कुल ही अच्छा नहीं बना है, and then what we generally do is, I also do it sometimes when I'm cooking food. I always say, oh मुझे कितना टाइम लग रहा है खाना बनाने में, फटाफट से बनाओ, मुझे बहुत टाइम लग गया, I have this to do, and I keep on thinking. I think that this is the time when I can do everything and do all the thinking of my day. I start thinking, okay, I have to study, I have to do this, I have to do that, I have a session at 4 o'clock, I have to complete my work, I have to do my hair care, anything. I keep on thinking that instead of just play something, play a nice music, and just focus on the food that you're cooking, listen the sizzling sound. It sounds very weird at first, but it's very very important to do that, because cooking is something, it is very therapeutic. And the disadvantage that happens is, so if you're feeling ki jaldi jaldi khana banao, you're in a rush, jaldi jaldi khana banao, and you're stressed, you're putting that energy, that feeling in that food. So somebody asked me कि मैंने आपकी रेसिपी ले ली, बट वो मैंने एग्जैक्टली रेसिपी फॉलो करी, एंड इट हैज हैपेंड विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, मैंने एग्जैक्टली फॉलो करी, बट उसमें वो स्वाद नहीं आया जो आपके में आया था. एंड देन वी से माँ के खाने का स्वाद ही अलग है. व्हाई? बिकॉज द मदर puts in so much love while cooking the food that no other food can match the feeling of having the food made by a mother. So it's very, very important to create the right vibrations when you are having the food and the water. And trust me on that. Just do it for 1 month. Don't do anything. It will hardly take you 10 minutes to eat your breakfast, lunch, dinner. When you're cooking your food and when you're having your food, just focus on the food. Don't think about anything. Channelize your mind. Start appreciating. If you feel कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि आप फूड पे ध्यान दो, जस्ट चैनलाइज योर माइंड कि अच्छा ये सब्जी बहुत अच्छी बनी है, ये do anything and just channelize your mind only and only to the food, or stop thinking about anything. कुछ भी मत सोचो. So what I did is I always have my lunch in office every time, but when I started inculcating this habit in the office, that I will not be checking my mails along with that, or I will not be watching TV along with that or anything, I realized there's a very nice park near the office. I suddenly realized that I started hearing wonderful chirping, so the noises that the birds make, जो इतनी अच्छी आवाजें निकल आती हैं, तो मुझे वो आवाजें सुनाई देने लगी. There are a lot of sounds which go unnoticed. Why? Because आपने कभी उस पर ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. तो आप अच्छी चीजें नोटिस करना शुरू कर देते हो, and you start feeling grateful. So it's really a nice habit, and I would just request all of you to inculcate that and just do it for 1 month. If you feel the change, continue. If you don't feel the change, no worries. Just do it for 1 month. If not 1 month, try doing it for 10 days and you will see the change. Some change in your life. So television with food is absolute no. You connecting to yourself or the supreme power and eating consciously is very, very important. Connect to yourself, talk to yourself, or just be grateful to God. Talk to God while you're having food. Thank you, God, for giving me this food, giving me something to eat. If you don't believe in God, no worries. Just talk to yourself, just talk to your inner soul, and just think about how positive the day is, no matter how bad your day was. So it's very, very important. One more habit that I would just want you all to inculcate is that no matter how bad your day is, it's just try and find out 3 positive things that happened in your day. Just give me a minute, guys, just a minute. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, so just focus on finding 3 things which happened in your day. No matter how bad your day was, सिर्फ 3 चीजें ढूंढो जो तुम्हारे दिन में बहुत अच्छी हुई हैं, और वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. कुछ भी ऐसा हो सकता है कि जो आपकी लाइफ में कुछ हुआ हो और आपको अननोटिस्ड रहा हो कि नहीं, मेरा दिन तो बहुत बुरा जा रहा है. वो 3 चीजें हमेशा हमेशा नोट करो. सो अगर आपने वो पढ़ा होगा जो स्कूल ऑफ हैप्पीनेस की बुकलेट है, सो उसमें एक चीज है हैप्पीनेस जर्नल के बारे में. सो यू शुड ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज मेंटेन अ हैप्पीनेस जर्नल. व्हाट इज इट? It is a small book or notebook that you maintain, and you have to write 3 things which every day you have to write 3 things and 3 positive things that happened in your life. वो पॉजिटिव थिंग्स कुछ भी हो सकती हैं, कुछ भी हो सकती हैं. इफ इट्स एनीथिंग दैट गिव यू हैप्पीनेस, जितना भी आपका बुरा दिन रहा हो, तीन तीन चीजें आपको जरूर ऐसी मिल जाएंगी अगर आप ध्यान से सोचेंगे कि आपके दिन में ऐसा क्या पॉजिटिव हुआ. And then write that, maintain that book, maintain that notebook, and you will start feeling grateful to the life that you have. जैसे सुजाता ने बोला भी कि हम प्रेजेंट में जीना कैसे सीखें, तो अगर हम प्रेजेंट में ये नोटिस करना शुरू कर देंगे कि रोज हमारे साथ या आज हमारे साथ कौन सी ऐसी तीन चीजें हैं जो बहुत अच्छी हुई, और हम सारी नेगेटिव मेंटालिटी, सारी नेगेटिव थिंकिंग को साइड रखते हुए, थॉट्स को साइड रखते हुए हम वो तीन चीजें सोचेंगे और उस पर फोकस करेंगे और वो तीन चीजों को लिखेंगे, यू सी दैट यू विल फील हैप्पी, यू विल फील पॉजिटिव. आपको लगेगा शायद जितना मैं सोच रही थी उतना बुरा दिन मेरा नहीं गया, क्योंकि वो तीन चीजें तो हुई. सो स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट. if you just start doing that. So we do things like eating while driving, working, reading, watching TV. So or people also do this, and I used to do that, and I sometimes now also do that, because I used to feel that if I will eat, food is the soul for me. So if I'm feeling bad, if I am not feeling good emotionally, and I'm feeling lonely, I used to eat. And I realized that that's a very, very bad habit that I have. That is not something that I should do. I was not eating food just because I'm hungry. I was eating food because uh, I felt as if I I have that emotional void inside me, which the food will fill. But that's not the case. That never helps. That is just temporary feeling that I get. Permanent feeling, it will not help you in a permanent state of nature. So a peaceful, happy breakfast, lunch, dinner time, 10 minutes, focusing all your attention on your food and the experience of eating. Don't be so busy earning money. It won't get you good emotional health and a happy mind. Okay, so inner science of vibrations. So just something that I have started following and I am really liking it, and I would really love to know your experiences as well if you start working on this. So 5 minutes in the morning when you get up, कहते हैं ना दिन का पहला थॉट अच्छा होना चाहिए, या फिर आप लोग हम लोग ये चीज कहते हैं कि पता नहीं यार मैंने आज सुबह किसका चेहरा देख लिया, मेरा दिन ही बहुत बेकार गया. तो आप हमारे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है, जब हम उठ रहे हैं तो उठकर सबसे पहले 5 minutes जो हैं, just talk to yourself and say that it's a beautiful day. Remind yourself of your goals. If you want to achieve something in your career, if you want to get something in your so if you dream of something, just remind yourself and give positive affirmations to yourself that I can do it, I will do it, and I'm beautiful. So some people are very they have those inferior feelings that I am not that good enough. So if you're facing that, just give yourself positive affirmations. If you're feeling that your career is not good right now, you're not getting the type of progress that you were looking at, whatever problem you're facing, just focus on positive thoughts for these 5 minutes and give yourself positive affirmations. Then same thing in the night, start giving 5 minutes in the night before you sleep and do it till you sleep. So if you feel okay mujhe ab neend aa rahi hai, let's sleep, so just start talking to yourself again and say it was a beautiful day. I understand that some bad things happen and there are some problems, but I know that I can face it. I know that God will give me the courage to do that. I know that it will happen. I know that eventually everything will fall in place. I know, and I will do it. I have full faith on myself. I will be happy. I will have a peaceful mind. Just simple positive affirmations that we can do to ourselves. And believe me, guys, you will feel the change. You will feel so happy from internally, from within. And then this is something that I learned from BK शिवानी जी. So उन्होंने ये चीज बोली थी कि उनमें ब्रह्मा कुमारीज में एक चीज होती है कि वो लोग क्या करते हैं, 1 minute का रिमाइंडर देते हैं अपने आप को. So after every hour they give a 1 minute reminder to themselves. So 1 hour happened, उसके बाद वो 1 minute के लिए पॉज करते हैं, विड्रॉ करते हैं, एंड देन दे क्रिएट द राइट थॉट. जो सुबह आप उठे थे और आपने एक थॉट सोचा था, उसी थॉट को आप वापस अपने आप को रिमाइंड करो. याद है ना, सुबह मैंने बोला था कि मेरा ये गोल है और मैं अचीव करूंगी. आई विल डू इट संस्कृति, नो मैटर हाउ मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर, आई विल डू इट. Just keep reminding yourself of that, and you will eventually see that things will fall in place. Just a second, guys. Okay, so sorry for the disturbance. So I just have a very cough today, so it takes me time to just take a pause and then speak. Okay, so yeah, so coming back to mindful eating. So mindful eating, so I am very conscious of कि मैं कुछ जब भी कोई पानी देता ना, I always see कि अच्छा पानी साफ है ना, कोई मेरे को और पानी ला के देता तो I see पानी साफ है ना, then I see and examine that the glass साफ है ना. But I'm sure कि कोई आप लोगों में से भी कोई करता होगा, if not for पानी, for something else. So हम हमेशा ये सोच लेते हैं कि अच्छा पानी साफ है, ग्लास साफ है, लेकिन हमने कभी भी ये नहीं पूछा अपने आप से वाइब्रेशन साफ है क्या. इस पानी को पीने से पहले जो आप सोच रहे हो, जस्ट स्टॉप, उसको एक साइड रखो. Enjoy the water. Be thankful to God that you're getting water, and drink it nicely, drink it slowly, and then we will continue and resume what we were thinking. But pause for a second, drink the water, and then get back to it. So energize your water. That's the emotional hygiene practice that you should do and that we all should do. Then, so food cooked with the right thought. मैंने पिछली स्लाइड में ये चीज बताई कि इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कुक द फूड विद द राइट थॉट. अगर आप रश में हैं, आप गुस्से में खाना बना रहे हैं किसी के लिए, आप किसी पे बहुत गुस्सा है, फिर भी आपको बस मजबूरी की तरह खाना बनाना पड़ रहा है, वो खाना उसको लगेगा भी नहीं जिसको आप खिला रहे हैं. स्टॉप डूइंग इट, डोंट डू इट. अच्छा, आई हैव सीन पीपल सेइंग मेरे बच्चे तो ना ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स खाते ही नहीं है, ग्रीन लीफ वेजिटेबल्स खाते ही नहीं है, मेरा बच्चा खाना सही से नहीं खाता है. तो द मदर्स कीप ऑन कंप्लेनिंग दैट, ठीक है, एंड फिर वो कुछ हेल्दी बनाएंगी या कुछ बनाएंगी तो वो ये चीज बोलेंगी कि नॉइज. या
Yeah, so Preeti messaged, true, I enjoy cooking and fully indulge in the whole process too. If by chance I'm upset or sad, the food doesn't come as good as it usually turns out to be.
एग्जैक्टली. सो सी, जितना स्वाद आपको फूड पहले लगता है, और अगर आप अपसेट है उस समय आपको वो वही सेम फूड जो है वो आपको स्वाद नहीं लग रहा है. व्हाई? बिकॉज आपने उसमें वो वाइब्रेशंस डाल दी. अगर आप ये सोच रहे थे आई एम अपसेट, तो आपको वो फूड भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. वो कहते हैं ना, लोग कहते हैं कि आज तो मैं खाना भी अच्छा नहीं लगा. खाना अच्छा होता है, बट क्योंकि वो अपसेट है, वो खुश नहीं है, तो उनको वही सेम खाना भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. क्यों? क्योंकि you have that thought going on in your mind while you were having food. You were thinking about that and you put all your energies in the food, और वही energies आपके अंदर चली गई through food and water, and you gave yourself more negative energies which will not help you. So it's not the right thing to do. Okay, so yeah, so what was I saying? So it's very important to cook the food also with right thought. So मैं आपको एग्जांपल दे रही थी कि तो मदर्स क्या करती हैं, वो ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स कुक करती हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है, जब खाना बना रही होंगी ना तभी भी यही बोलेंगी कोई फायदा तो है नहीं, मैं बना तो रही हूँ, मेरे बच्चे खाते तो है नहीं। फिर तो पक्का ही बच्चे नहीं खाएंगे। व्हाई? बिकॉज यू आर पुटिंग दैट एनर्जी इन द फूड। नो, डोंट डू दैट। if you feel that your kids don't eat the right food, then just think of ways. So I've seen such creative mothers who think of ways कि किस तरीके से मैं इसको क्रिएटिवली बना दूं, या मैं इसको बहुत ही इनोवेटिवली बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सा कुछ बना दूं कि उसको उस टेस्ट का पता भी ना लगे। So what my mother used to do is कि जब हम लोग नहीं करते थे, वो जब सूप बनाती थी तो वो सूप के अंदर सब कुछ डाल देती थी, पालक, घिया, तोरी, वॉट एवर शी हैड इन हर फ्रिज, शी यूज्ड टू डू दैट एंड देन हमें वो सूप सर्व कर देती है एंड वी ड्रिंक दैट, वी लाइक दैट। या फिर कुछ और, जैसे कि अगर कुछ भी इनोवेटिव तरीके, जैसे कि बीटरूट। So I don't like beetroot, but beetroot is very good to have. So what I started doing was that I grated it and मैंने उसकी टिक्की बना के खाना शुरू किया and वो बहुत बहुत यम लगती है। If you guys have tried, then I searched for one more recipe on YouTube. So I got there was a recipe that you can make beetroot chips. So I started making beetroot chips in my air fryer. So that turned out something which I didn't like eating, that turned out to be good for me. So just start thinking of ways how you can make your kid eat that particular thing. Don't just scrib about it. That is just one example that I wanted to give all of you. Then, so lastly, so why is prasad so important? Why prasad is important? Because जब भी जो सेवादार है, सो अगर मैं गुरुद्वारे की बात करूं तो जो लोग प्रसाद बना रहे होते हैं वो हमेशा लाइक यू ऑलवेज हैव दैट पॉजिटिव थॉट इन योर माइंड एंड हमेशा शब्द मतलब हमेशा वो जैसे अगर मैं मंदिर की बात भी करूं तो कोई मंत्र बोलना या फिर साथ में शब्द बोलते रहना, तो शब्द बोलते रहना, तो you keep on saying that and you do that. So when I make Kada Prasad at my home, I keep on saying Vai Guruji, Vai Guruji, Vai Guruji. I keep on saying that. So in जिस भी गॉड में आप बिलीव करते हैं या फिर आप जिस पॉजिटिव चीजें अपने दिमाग में हमेशा रखिए। सो हम प्रसाद जब भी बनाते हैं तो हमेशा भगवान को याद करते हुए प्रसाद बनाते हैं। इसलिए जो प्रसाद होता है वो हाई एनर्जी फूड होता है और आप जब खाते हैं तो आपको बहुत स्वाद लगता है। व्हाई? बिकॉज वो बहुत ही प्यार से, बहुत ही श्रद्धा से, बहुत उस तरीके से, मतलब बहुत हाई एनर्जी फूड होता है वो। इसलिए अपने खाने को भी हमेशा अच्छे से बनाओ। एंड सो देयर इज अ हैबिट दैट जब आप सुबह सुबह किचन में बना रहे हैं तो जैसे आप गैस पे बना रहे हैं खाना, so you आप पूजा करते हैं and then you put a flower and then you start making, so that is what my mother do. So we have those habits and we do that. So it's very important to create positive vibrations around yourself to get rid of the negative thought, the negative mentality that we generally have. Okay, so you want an angel or you want to become an angel? So हम हमेशा बोलते हैं एक एंजल आएगा या फिर गॉड हमारे लिए ये करेंगे, we'll pray to God and he'll give us that, or I want an angel to come in my life and improve everything and do everything for me. No, be an angel yourself. You can be an angel. अगर आप positive thoughts create करेंगे, you will be kind to yourself, you will start inculcating some good habits in yourself, so then you will become an angel for yourself. So just start doing that and it will help you a lot. You will see that you are the biggest blessing to yourself. So you'll feel that if I have myself, I'll be the biggest blessing to me. So that is it. हम बहुत बारी ऐसे बोलते हैं may God bless you, या फिर हम बोलते हैं किसी को भी ब्लेसिंग देते हैं तो हम हमेशा उस तरीके से बोलते हैं. आप affirmative होके बोलो ना, God will bless you. God will. So just have that faith and just be affirmative that yes, this will happen and I will make it happen. So you want to be a self-start machine or a push-start machine? Push-start machine वो होता है जिसको हमेशा से पीछे से push चाहिए है. Self-start machine वो होता है I believe in myself and I will do it. स्कूटी जब चलाते हैं तो पुश स्टार्ट मशीन वो पैर से मार मार के अब कोई भी चलाना प्रेफर नहीं करता ना, सब बोलते हैं एक पुश दबाया, पुश स्टार्ट मशीन हो और स्कूटी चल जाए. अपने आप को खुद ही पुश कर लो ना. Why do we humans actually want somebody to motivate, constantly motivate ourselves? Can't we ourselves motivate us? Sometimes it's happened that we need the support and there are relationships for that. But my only point here is that just try being a self-start machine. It's very, very important to take control of your mind, your heart, your body, your soul. Very, very important. And if you can, please start meditating at least half an hour. So please start meditating and you will feel the change. Okay, so that's it for today. And I will just stop. Yeah. So that is something that I wanted to share. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. So that was all for today. And if you have any queries or if you want to share something, please go ahead and do that.
Ma'am, I would like to say that it was a wonderful session. I remember once I was eating bread pakoras and I enjoyed that so much that I still remember what I don't know what was I feeling, but that was the best moment. That was the best 10 minutes of my life, like till now. I remember I was, after my music practice, I was just sitting and eating and I was just enjoying it so much. I don't know what I was feeling, but that's true. I mean, whatever you said, whatever you and highlighted and enlightened us with, I think that is very important, and I think it plays very important role when one person is cooking, because the intentions and the vibrations does have impact on our lives and on our lifestyle and food as well. That is so true. I always had this thing in my mind that, when I'll be cooking, I'll cook with good intentions, I'll cook with positive vibrations, because whatever we put into our food, it comes, it automatically, it's directly, indirectly affects us. So that was a very wonderful session.
Definitely. Thank you, Ishwini.